I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the multi-award-winning Speed Screed. Today I'm here to give you a little more insight into Longfloor Liquid Cement Screed. I'll talk about some of the technical specifications as well as the benefits of the product itself. Longfloor Liquid Cement Screed can be used on both commercial and domestic properties and is an excellent flooring solution. Longfloor Liquid Cement Screed is not constrained by the need to use a curing agent, which is applied using a spray. This is a major plus point, as this has been a constant problem since the introduction of self-compacting, horizontally laid concretes around 20 years ago. But what is a curing agent? A curing agent essentially prevents material drying too quickly. If this happens, plastic shrinkage cracking can occur. Choosing the right curing agent is essential. Failure to do this will mean the whole process fails. Your application equipment must be of the correct standard, and your materials have to be coated at the precise dosage to be effective. Where one of these steps are missing or done incorrectly, problems can occur. Using Longfloor Liquid Cement Screed eliminates all these worries. So just what are the benefits of Longfloor Liquid Cement Screed? In short, they are numerous, but here is a helpful summary of the benefits of Longfloor Liquid Cement Screed. Longfloor Liquid Cement Screed dries in around a third of the time that it takes a standard cement screed and anhydrite flowing screeds. It won't unduly hold up your project. It can be ready to take footfall in as little as 24 hours and certainly after 48. When you hit 7 to 14 days, you'll be able to safely add non-moisture sensitive floor finishers without a worry. Sanding and the visits back to site that come with them is a thing of the past, as Longfloor Liquid Cement Screed is laitance free. It is not uncommon for 1,000 square metres to be laid in a single visit to site. Longfloor Liquid Cement Screed gets on well with most adhesives, grouts and primers, so much so it can be laid in wet rooms. Depending on the raw materials, Longfloor Liquid Cement Screed has a thermal conductivity of 1.9 watts per metre dot Kelvin to 2.6, which is superb. The maximum bay sizes have increased and can now go up to 250 square metres. In addition to this, aspect ratio can now exceed 4:1. Although higher strength versions are available. It has a compressive strength of 25 newtons and a flexural strength of 6. Dry shrinkage is far less of an issue than with other similar systems. Longfloor Liquid Cement Screed binder is made up of 95% recycled materials. Hopefully you are now up to speed with Longfloor Liquid Cement Screed and the benefits that its use can offer. Give us a call if you have any further questions.